Welcome to this tutorial on using Thinkorswim for Forex trading. Thinkorswim is a powerful trading platform that allows you to trade a variety of financial instruments, including Forex. To get started, you will need to download and install the Thinkorswim platform from the official website. Once you have installed the platform, you will need to log in with your username and password. After logging in, you will be presented with the Thinkorswim dashboard, which provides an overview of your account and the markets. To navigate to the Forex trading section, click on the Trade tab and select Forex from the drop-down menu. Next, you will need to select the currency pair you want to trade. Thinkorswim offers a wide range of currency pairs, including major, minor, and exotic pairs. You can browse through the available pairs by clicking on the Forex tab and selecting the pair you want to trade. After selecting the currency pair, you will need to set your trading parameters, including the trade size, stop loss, and take profit. The trade size refers to the amount of currency you want to trade, while the stop loss and take profit levels determine when the trade will be closed. To place a trade, click on the Buy or Sell button, depending on the direction of your trade. You can also use the Thinkorswim platform to set conditional orders, such as limit orders and stop orders, which allow you to automate your trading. In addition to trading, Thinkorswim also provides a range of analytical tools, including charts and technical indicators. These tools can help you analyze the markets and make informed trading decisions. You can access the charts and indicators by clicking on the Analyze tab and selecting the tool you want to use. To get the most out of Thinkorswim, it is essential to understand the key concepts of Forex trading, including leverage, margin, and risk management. Leverage allows you to trade with more money than you have in your account, while margin refers to the amount of money required to open a trade. Risk management involves setting stop loss and take profit levels to limit your potential losses. Best practices for using Thinkorswim for Forex trading include starting with a demo account to practice your trading skills, setting clear trading goals and strategies, and continuously monitoring and adjusting your trades. It is also essential to stay up to date with market news and analysis to make informed trading decisions. In conclusion, Thinkorswim is a powerful platform for Forex trading that offers a range of tools and features to help you succeed in the markets. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and practicing good risk management, you can use Thinkorswim to trade Forex with confidence.